Seed the City is a program for high school students where they can gain experience in urban agriculture, earn credits towards graduation, and become part of the local food movement in their city.
What is Seed the City? Sort of like a program which really helps educate people growing food, but moreover, it helps people sort of learn about the mentality of growing food and sort of learn about the truth about how food is actually grown. We get course credit for this for grade 12, sort of work experience credit. So it's sort of good to be getting that out of the way so I won't have to worry about it later.
To be completely honest, I thought that this was going to be something in my summer that I was going to be like, okay, I have to wake up early, go to this program, garden all day, but I actually find myself looking forward to it every day, and that has honestly been really surprising to me and pretty amazing.
This program is unique because it brings young people together at this pivotal time in their development where they can be exposed to these solutions and opportunities to pursue career pathways and learning in fields that are going to make positive change in the world. And through this experience, they build self-esteem, their mental health improves, and they gain skills that will stay with them for the rest of their lives.
It's therapeutic. It's a way for me to have something to do and something to feel good about, seeing my progress, and you get a reward at the end. It's also just something that a lot of people like, and it introduced me to a great community. Gardening community in Victoria is terrific, very helpful.
So we teamed up with LifeCycles to implement topsoil microfarms onto schools to be able to show the kids how to grow food, but how to kind of get that to market as well, and to also be able to deal with customers and deal with money and kind of, learn about food production as a whole, not just growing food, but how to potentially make it a job or a career.
It's really good for kids of our age to sort of learn about this stuff. Because over the few past decades, the world has become hugely sort of supply chain based and industrialized. So people don't really know where the food is coming from. They just go to the supermarket. They grab some apples, some strawberries, that kind of stuff. So I think it's really important that people learn how food is sort of made and processed.
I think it's important to start learning about your food from a young age, even younger than I am, because then you have that basis of knowledge. You can go further, or you can just stop there and continue on with your other passions in life, but having that good building block on food security and your nutrition and the nutritional value of certain foods is just crucial. It's crucial.
It's very hands-on, which I enjoy, instead of rather being just in a lecture format, as after we learn something, we get to sort of do it.
I like growing vegetables so I can feel a sense of accomplishment.